Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to check your Stripe capital offer amount. As a business owner, I know how critical cash flow is, and knowing what funding options you have available can be a game changer. The best part about Stripe Capital is how straightforward it is. There's no complicated application process just to see an offer. Here's the simple, first-hand way I check for an offer. First, you need to log into your Stripe dashboard. That's the central hub for all your Stripe activity. You're not looking for a separate website or a long form. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll look for the Capital tab. Depending on your screen size, it might be an obvious button on the left sidebar, or you might find it under a More or Finance section, but it is definitely labeled Capital. If your business is currently eligible for financing based on your processing volume and history, your offer amount will be clearly displayed right there on the Capital page. Stripe does the eligibility review automatically. It's based on your history of sales and volume through Stripe, so you don't have to manually apply to get this initial look. If you have an offer, you won't just see one fixed number. Stripe typically gives you the ability to customize the offer amount up to a maximum limit. You can use a slider or an input field on that page to choose a smaller amount than the maximum offer. This is a crucial step because as you adjust the principal amount, you'll see the corresponding flat fee and the daily repayment rate change in real time. This lets you tailor the financing to your exact business needs before committing. Stripe also makes a point to notify you. If you're eligible, you'll often receive an email notification with a link, and you might see an alert right within your dashboard. So keep an eye on both. Remember, eligibility is dynamic and updated regularly. So if you don't see an offer today, it doesn't mean you won't see one in a few weeks. Consistency in your business's processing history on Stripe is what drives those offers. So, to wrap up, log into your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Capital tab, and your current maximum offer and customizable options will be right there. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.